This tiny house with dimension around 2.5 and 10 meter with industrial modern style as we look on this exterior and interior design of this tiny house itself. And this tiny house has linear arrangement of the room, especially for the furniture and cabinet arrangement of this interior tiny house. We can look from the bedside. We can look from the bedroom area with approximately queen size or king size dimension of this bed, and this is about the skylight on the living room area, and on the loft bed area has a large window along to the wide of this tiny house itself. Then it has several wall decoration such as a wall picture and another decoration on the wall shelf itself. Then it has a large window on the front of this living room, especially on the bathroom. Also, it has a large daylighting system, so it could energy saving, especially for the daylighting on the daytime anyway. Then it has a bathroom on this. It has a bathtub on this bathroom with shower fixture. And for the bathroom has wastafel, toilet, and many more. Then has several shelf on the wall, especially on the living room wall. Then we can look from the wall finishing with um, white paint, and for the kitchen with granite of the top table. And this is about the living room with a carpet with um, ornamental texture, and it's about the shelf on the living room with the sound tools, and it has a large window in the front of living room itself, and it is about the window on the bed. Okay, thanks for watching and wait for my next video. Thank you.